for the young ladies, I am going to speak with you as a modern woman. Put yourself together if you really want a husband. Put yourself like a lady if you want to get a husband. It don't make sense you follow these no-nonsense people who are promoting G-string and sheer as if you're going to your bedroom, on the road, going out at parties and all them things. Put yourself together like decent, respectful women if you really want to get a spouse, get a husband of your own. That kind of a dress code don't work. It don't look good. And the people who designed this fashion, they knew exactly what they're doing. They don't want you to get a husband. They do not want you to get a husband. That is why they designed those clothes to let you look tacky, or look like empanel, or look like prostitutes. Because to all me see, these kind of fashion nowadays are prostitution fashion. So the prostitute them get upgrade. That kind of a fashion is for prostitutes. Thank you.